Hello everyone, this is JLS 1114. This is part 2 as promised. If you haven't seen part 1, please go check it out. I lay out the specific details about the about the Merlin Elite CCTV by Enhanced Vision. This is my 4th time making this video. There's just so much to say. So, I'm just going to do a very quick go over the main parts you need to know and do a very quick basic demo, but there's so much more to this. So if there's something more specifically you want to know, I will tailor make a video a lot more mainly focusing on that. So just let me know what you would like to see, and I'll keep the videos coming with this. There's so much to get to in this. All right, so let's get to it. So you got your table, moves left, right, side to side. You can lock it for writing. This is your lock mechanism. Just do it forward and then push it like that to undo. Okay, that's all with that. 24-inch screen monitor. This can pivot up, down, horizontally, horizontally, vertically, all that. You have, it says Enhanced Vision right here. It says Merlin Elite on the table. There's your speaker for the OCR feature. Here is your on-off button. The magnification to make it bigger or smaller. And this button inside has a couple of things. It can be used as a select and also the Where Am I button. Where Am I button basically zooms out and focuses back in so you know where you were. This is where your viewing modes with the different color contrast and the brightness. Another speaker, and it says Merlin HD, and I think it might say Elite right here, but I'm not positive. Can't really make it out. And then one more thing I want to show you, and then I will do a basic demonstration for you. This is a remote that it comes with. And basically, the remote you can control the magnification as well as the viewing modes on the remote aside from the unit itself. These are the volume keys, and the rest of these keys have to do with the OCR functionality. Okay? This, when it's turned on, they are controlled by LED lights, by the way. Oh, I almost forgot one of the biggest parts that makes this whole thing work. Let me move this out of the way. Okay. This is the camera. This is a Sony camera. Sony HD autofocus. This is the monitor is also Sony, by the way. And it has, instead of replacing bulbs, I was told I should never have to replace the lights. It's backlit by LED lights. So that's pretty cool. And that's it as far as all that is concerned. Real quick, also, go through the rest of what it comes with. It comes with a cloth to clean it, as well as a manual. And biggest thing I want to get to is USB. It comes with a USB cable. The USB cable, this is like half computer. There's free upgrades with this. So you hook it up to the computer, and it does, like, you can do screen with the computer, with the monitor that it's screen and CCTV. Of the computer and the CCTV all on this monitor. So I'm sure they use the USB for that. Quick note: the upgrades via computer with the CCTV is covered by Windows XP up to Windows 7. If you are a Mac user, there is no dice. No dice. Does not work with any Mac iOSs right now. don't fret. You can still get this CCTV. There is an offline way to do it. Okay? If anybody wants to know more about that, I don't know much about that right now myself, but I will look into it if somebody needs to know, and I will make a video on that, so just let me know. Okay, so, basic demonstration. So, I will show you how this, we will turn it on. Okay, this is very clear and crisp. And it says desktop. By the way, you heard it talk, but it does not always talk. I mean, it always talks. I mean, you have to turn it on. It's not a default setting. You have to turn that on. Okay, I love it on. So, but it's not default. So anyway, this is very, 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 very clear and crisp, as you can see. So you got your magnifications, your viewing modes. I'll tell you all that. Tell you what viewing mode you were on.
Enhanced positive.
And all that good stuff.
Enhanced negative.
And another thing I like is there's 28 of these, like I said, of the viewing modes, but you only pick and choose the ones that you want. So that's pretty cool. So that's a little bit of how that works and how good it is and all that good stuff. Very clear. And oops, sorry, I'm like taking it out of focus. So very, very clear, very crisp each time. I don't know if it's coming out as clear as it is, but it is. And I want to show you the OCR part. Now, don't go by. I'm not by this part of what I'm going to show you. You're going to think, because I'm not that good of how using the OCR right now, so you're going to think it sucks. It doesn't. As the guy, every time he did it, it worked flawlessly. I'm not very good at it right now. So, trust me, take my word, it works much better than what I'm going to show you. But, you do the scan button. And we have to focus it onto something. Okay, let's try that. I'm going to press the scan button on the remote.
No text found.
Told you I'm not good at this. Okay, let's try this again.
A speech. Contrast. Done.
Alright. Anyway, I'm really bad at it, but it reads. You get the point. Another thing is you'll see the color box here, so you can see as it's going. It will, has a little cursor so you can read along. So that's pretty cool. So anyway, that's the main gist of it. Further questions, things you want to see further details about, just let me know. Alright, so that was my demo of the Merlin Elite by Enhanced Vision. Thank you again.